I read Financial or Total Money Makeover years ago, and you had this line in there about debt that was, I'm going to try and say it back to you as I understood it, because there's obviously the big biblical component, but for everyone who might not believe in that, I wanted to give at least my rational understanding of how you see it, which is that debt introduces risk, and risk, when compounded over a long enough time horizon, no matter how big a number you acquire, any number multiplied by zero is still zero. And so if you know that you're going to be playing this game for a very long time, even a small amount of risk when you're going 200 miles an hour can flip the car. That was my understanding of how you saw debt. Is that accurate?
That line is actually from Warren Buffett. He was talking about in a down year like '08. We soon discover that leverage is not always your friend.
Yeah.
That, those of us that could do math realize that any number multiplied by zero is going to equal zero.
Yeah.
And debt does that for you. So, yeah, it's, again, having grown up in the real estate business, one thing you're going to do in the real estate business when I was growing up, if you said, I'm going to be a real estate investor, they took you to the hospital, they took out your risk meter, and they broke it with a hammer. And they put it back in. You're not allowed to perceive risk if you're going to be a real estate guy, because it's glass half full. We're eternal optimists. Everything's going to work out because real estate's always awesome. It's just awesomeness on parade. You can't mess this up. The renters will pay your rent. Oh God, I'll pay your mortgage. How can you mess this up? And so if a little bit of leverage is good, then a lot of leverage is amazing. and that's how I went broke. And then what happened to me, because I lost everything following the borrow all you can because it works plan, I had to stop and go, I think I've got a bad set of rules. The playbook I've got sucks. I keep losing. And my kids are getting skinny.